Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Ang Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay managsiawit ng magagandang himig, dahil sa Diyos ay pag-ibig, nang si Kristo'y isilang, may tatlong haring nagsidalaw, at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay.
Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. At sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. All right, here we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night.
She was kissing Santa Claus.
She didn't see me creep downstairs to have a peep. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath.
Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli, tanging araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli, ang pag-ibig naghahari. Pasko na naman, o kay tuli ng araw, Paskong nagdaan tila.
Merry Christmas! In Italian, Buon Natale. Catherine Di Loma, 55 years old from Rome, Italy. Thank you for watching. Ciao!